Finna throw hands, bro. In the Tessie, we out here in the Tesla, smoking Bluegrass Reserve, Platinum Lemon Cherry, Bear Grows.
Forever rolling 10 and ATL, you hear me? You take the A and make the TL at the end, but you capitalize the ATL because that's where we going. It's usually just, you know.
We on our road trip from St. Louis. We in Collinsville.
Chris out here getting jealous at the other white boys.
Sean think this white dude in the Tesla next to us cool because he was bumping Nardo Wick. This whole thing is blowing my mind. I just bought this brand new Tesla model. Nah, I'm just playing. But bro, we straight only been here. We pulled up with like 20% charge and it's at, hold on. We had 72% charge, bro. It's only 15 minutes to 90%. We wanted to leave a lot earlier, but it was snowing and the Tesla was snowing. Bro, the whole thing it was ice this deep on the Tesla. We got this Bluegrass Platinum Lemon Cherry in this frontal leaf.
I'm finna go see if they got lilies.
I got you lilies. Yo! This man in love for real. We in the snowstorm. They ain't had lily leaves?
Nah, but they card.
They what? They card? Why is that a problem?
Hey, what happened to this license plate?
Fucking hit a cardinal on the license plate fucking. Where are we? Open up the map. We going to Atlanta. I'm one of them. You see those people? The gasoline owners? I hit the door.
I almost got you.
We're somewhere in Kentucky. Tennessee Safari Park. They're hiring. You trying to make a life change? Where are we at?
Hold on, wait. Hold on, okay. I'm trying to snap my dog up.
We out here in fucking EST 1974 Huck Market. We down a license plate. Weather and whatnot. Bluegrass Reserve, Devil Smack. It's not cold, bro. It feels great. It's the older Charger. Oh, look at that. It say we got enough charge to go. We're on the way to a Diddy party. Feel like, have you ever seen Star Wars? I don't know where we at. Where you going?
Looks like a fucking Tesla owner.
Hey, gang.
Huh?
We at 82% good. We at 82% good.
What you mean?
The Tesla at 82%, gang. What you mean?
Fuck you, bitch.
I heard you back there setting up, good, but I couldn't.
I'm gonna be honest, one of the times where I had fell asleep and drifted across 2 lanes right quick.
In this car?
Yeah.
While I was asleep? Dog, what?
That's why I had to crawl in the back there and take a nap, bro, because I was tripping.
Cause we on damn near hour 17, gang.
It's not true.
Yes, it is.
It's not.
Yes, it is.
What time is it?
Since we've been in the car, pick me up at 9, so I keep telling you that, bro.
10:05.
You had almost 18 hours.
So we got to the B&B. It was really like 3:33 a.m. There was a cat outside, but I don't know why there's no audio. You're going to have to ask Sean about that. But as you can see, real nice B&B. It wasn't in Atlanta. We was like 45 minutes outside of Atlanta, maybe more. But I was done with this shit by this time, so I just retired to the bedroom for the next day because fuck that whole...
This nigga trying to set me up. He don't let me so just gotta check in with my friend real quick. He say he wanna meet you. Who the fuck is your friend?
Oh yeah, my coffee shop is cheaper than the rest. I'm taking orders.
This is a prime example of Atlanta is overpopulated, bro. Damn. Out here, shout out Vicky Vades for this fucking whatever the fuck this is. In the A. See, this is why everyone needs photographer friends, bro. It's like cement land for the football stadium. I am filmed.
Y'all gay. Y'all are gay.
Oh no. We finna get creative.
This feels like a fucking movie, bro.
Our life is a fucking movie, bro.
It is. I'm so serious. I be thinking about that too, because I be around a bunch of people my age now, and they don't be having cool stories, bro. This some shit, if you didn't grow up here, most people our age wouldn't be doing.
This some shit that won't even interest motherfuckers our age when we tell them this story.
Think about what I told you about the cement land. You like, hold on a second.
I'm an adventurous nigga.
A lot of people adventurous road. Oh, this hard. They got like steps or like.
They had Bigfoot walk through this motherfucker.
It's a small Bigfoot.
That's a wide foot, fat foot.
Brokies. That look.
Power lines with.
And Twisted Tea, somebody got fucking wild.
I'm sure the power out. And this is what we do. Just in case. I already know my captain for that picture. That's Sassy. She back outside. I'm in the field. If I catch her, she know what it is. Little baby said it, bro. It's cool.
What is this?
Way easier than I thought it was gonna be. 10 out of 10. Do it again.
I told you I'm finna be an LV Don by the time I leave Atlanta.
But why are you? What you? Oh yeah.
I just need proof to everybody where we at right now.
What's wrong with coming to Fat Landing?
Nothing, bro. Nothing at
I'm
all.
saying, what's?
You want the power hold or the Motion 360?
We also have some bras back there if you want to.
And you feeding into his bullshit? That's what we're doing. It's a number on the bottom of the receipt. I'm gonna need that. No.
Calm down, calm down.
I got the email.
Okay, go ahead. Third time was on.
The third email. This is the fourth time.
I don't know.
It's starting to sound kind of scammy. Here, wrong email away from who you bank with.
This good, Sean. Look at you. Okay, perfect.
Stop playing with me, boy.
He do got 4 credits.
Told y'all.
I thought you said you had 6.
I thought it was 6 too.
You only got
It was
4.
6 when I was just on there before Christmas. Nah, twin, go ahead and grab it. Hurry up, twin. We got shit to do. What up, twin? Hey, you laughing? I'm straight finna throw hands, bro. I'm too fucking cold for this shit. You think I'm playing?
Where we going?
You think I'm playing in this motherfucking ride? Get the fuck on. She about to piss me off too. Come on, bro. Do this. I ain't even playing. Do this.
Do what?
Do it in the fucking ride. You know what I'm talking about, bitch. Stop playing. Hey, gang. You not cold? Oh, you exercising? Oh, he heated up. Can't fuck with slimes if they want to what? Look.
I don't know what that movie was,
Go to hit LL.
Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Roadtrip to Diddy House. Come on.
You gonna let him put something right between that gap?
What did you say?
You heard me. Why you so interested in going to a Diddy party? That's all you've been talking about since we crossed the state border.
I'm trying to get famous, bro.
Wow. You gonna let them...
I'm gonna let them do whatever.
When you see Chris with a chain around his neck,
He got fucked for it.
Bad boys for life, bro. Bad boys for life. Wait, you said I what?
With coconut pieces. Look at how they float in there, bro.
That's not... It don't look tasteful.
You gotta take the shot, bro. You can take a shot of liquor and just take the shot.
It smell bad. The aftertaste ain't horrible, but
It tastes how it smelled all day. It tastes like it smelled funky. Did you get a coconut bit?
Nah.
Oh, you missing out, bro.
Nah,
Hit it again. You don't like the chew after you swallow?
Do we got autopilot? Oh, this shit wrong. Oh my God, that's hard.
Lady walking out my food, I just signed it.
Hey, look at these chargers. This is America. This is what.
This is Merc.
Then go straight back to it. Took me an hour, no pull up, I got on my grind, go straight back to it.
You ever touch the cloud, bro? I want to read the sign and see what it says.
Pull up to the parking lot.
Yeah, I'm finna just walk. I've never had to turn a car wheel this much in such short amount of space.
What y'all on?
Cloud cover and shit, and we fight for a few days, and then all the way down to Chickamauga, and then they had like a reunion like 10 years later. Dudes from the north, dudes from the south, and they got together, said basically like a like a gang truce and shit. Like, hey man, we was crazy, and they was older and shit. It's like, man, we ought to make this a park so nobody forgets. And then this became the first national park. What's the elevation? 1,100 feet or something. It's not real high.
It ain't like we're in Colorado.
No, it like barely makes a mountain. If you get a chance to get in there, so that monument you can see right there. Yep. That's the New York monument. It's the only Confederate monument in the United States that has a Confederate and a Union soldier on it.
For real?
Yeah, it's called Reconciliation. They shaking hands. There's some real good views of the city.
They tried to keep us out the visitor center, so we just hopped the fence. Bluegrass in the blunt. Santana over the wall.
Stop playing with him.
We just running into historical shit. And the only monument with both sides shaking hands.
That is crazy.
Oh, that's a real mountain, bro.
This shit
America
different.
is a dope ass country, bro.
We outside.
Bro.
Roll that dirty ass window down.
No, right? That's disgusting. I'm so sorry.
That's the one that you said was 1.5?
1.6.
I paid it. If I had it, I paid it.
It says take a U-turn, right?
No, it don't. They say in 4 miles. What the fuck are you doing?
Bro, it rerouted me, my bad. I'm high, bro.
I'm not gonna make it home today, y'all. This is why we didn't get down at 4 o'clock in the morning.
I don't ever wanna be
For show driving. Sliding in the coupe, I ain't got no conscience. You know in this car we going for show driving. We don't do well with the sneak this and bitch.
Cherry for an hour, yeah, he wet. You will never fuck the hoes that be letting you.
How you coming up the
broke
side?
ass niggas trying to lecture. I'm that nigga, all the bad bitches past him.
Hold on, I'm finna.
Oh, this shit wrong.
Sidewise. SS Auto, tap in. If you rear-end somebody in the rental car and fuck it up, call him. A shout out to old girl who had no insurance or plates. Oh, that is not straight.
It's right over where they
Okay, I believe you. They go see that clean patch right there and be like, I'm only nervous because if it fall off. That shit not gonna stick, bro. That shit not finna stick.
We need to stick for how long?
24 hours from when I drop it off. Honestly, if it falls off, it look less damage. But it's not even straight.
I mean, hey, bro, that's the best I can do given the circumstances.
Do it look crooked to y'all?
It look on point. Breaking the test.
I'm fixing the Tessie with force.
Look at you, pushed it back out, bro. You do
you for real?
You're the one doing it. I just watched you do it.
No, this part's not hooking on.
Send me your deductible. I'm gonna tell them that you broke.
No cameras, please. Sean's so fake. The Tesla think he 17 people in a bike. Come on, open the door.
There we go.
Bro, the Tesla said you a car.
I seen it.
It said you was.
Only thing we waiting on now is Chris bitch ass with this vlog.
We outside, this Chris Park STL.